Hello, and welcome to my online classroom. My name is David, and I am a professional English and math instructor, both in the United States and around the world. I would like to talk a little bit about my background before I discuss how I teach and how I'd like to get to know you. I have taught for 7 years in the United States in 2014, and in 2017 I traveled to Medellin, Colombia, where I got a certificate, a CELTA, to teach English abroad. It was from International House, which is a world-renowned organization for teaching and getting English fluency. I have been teaching math since 2014 in both the East Coast and the Midwest in the United States. Along with the United States and in Colombia, I have also taught English in Thailand, as well as in Africa in both Uganda and Tanzania. So as you can see, I not only love communicating, but I also love to travel. I think that travel and communication go hand in hand, and that's why I love learning and also teaching, so that we can communicate more clearly and I can find out the rich histories and stories of everybody's life that I encounter within my travels. I would love to learn about your life and as well as your experiences, and I would also love to help you learn and improve your English proficiency and fluency, both in grammar, vocabulary, business English, or just conversation. I know what works best for me, but doesn't necessarily work best for you. So let's get on the same page and sign up for a test trial or a few packages, and we can get the ball rolling. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.